For 3C, we chose to use the graphing method because we had a fraction there. So I'm going to go ahead and graph that first one, 1/2 x minus 5. So I would start at -5 and rise 1, run 2. And of course we do that for the entire graph. And then I went down 1, left 2. For the second equation, I have to move the x to the other side. So if I subtract the x to the other side, I have y equals -3x plus 2. So I start at +2, and I'm going down 3, right 1. And then we can also go up 3, left 1. And we see the two lines cross at one point, which is 2, -4. So 2, -4 is letter A. Okay. For number 4, it just asks, what is the solution of the system graphed below? So I just want to know, what is this ordered pair? And that would be 5, -2. So it would be D. Okay. In number 5, if it helps, I would go ahead and graph this to help visualize the graph. So for the top equation, we're at +1, going up 2, right 1, and down 2, left 1. And then for the second one, we start at -6, and again, we're going up 2, right 1. And we can see that our lines here are parallel. So down here it says, which statements are true about the system of equations? Select all that apply. So by it saying all that apply, that means that you could have more than one answer. So first of all, the graph of the system consists of lines that have no point of intersection. Well, that is true. The two lines do not intersect, so there's no point they meet at. So A is definitely a possibility. The graph of the system consists of lines that have exactly one point of intersection. No, that's not true. If it was one point, it would look like this, like an X. Okay, it doesn't look like that. Letter C, the graph of the system consists of lines that have more than one point of intersection. No, they're two separate lines that do not meet. Letter D, the system has no solution. That's true. Parallel lines mean that you have no solution. The system has exactly one solution. Nope, they do not cross. The system has more than one solution. No, they are not the same line. So my two solutions are A and D for number 5. In number 6, it says two lines are graphed on the same coordinate plane. The lines only intersect at this point, 3, -2. Which of the system's linear equations could represent the two lines? Select all that apply. So again, there's more than one answer. And we have x is 3, y is -2. And so now we got to plug it into different systems here to solve. So for the first one, I'm going to plug it into this bottom one. It's a little bit easier. So -2 equals 3 minus 1. Well, 3 minus 1 is 2. -2 does not equal 2. So A is not a solution. Okay, for B, if I plug x is 3 and y is -2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So that does work. I also need to see if it works in here. So -5 plus 3 is -2, and that equals -2. So B is a solution. Okay, for C, I need to plug in x is 3, y is negative 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 does not equal 1. So C is not a solution. Okay, for D, x equals 3. Well, that is true. X does equal 3. So that's correct. For the second one, y is negative 2, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So that is not true. So mark that out. For letter E, we have y is negative 2, x is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Well, negative 2 does not equal 1. So that is not a solution. So my only answer is B for this one. Okay.